WhatsApp is rolling out group video and voice calls on WhatsApp for Android beta with version number 2.18.189 and version number 2.18.192. The thing is, this feature is not available on the stable version, but with the beta, we can expect a few more updates in the weeks to come. As of now, this is how it works. The group calling functionality is available to all users who have access to the newest beta of WhatsApp for Android. To access it, you will have to make a video or voice call. Once the call gets connected, an add person icon is shown on the top right, above the name of the recipient. Next, if the third user accepts the call, both the names will be shown with a comma separating them. To use this feature ahead of a stable rollout, you can either enroll yourself for the WhatsApp beta program on Google Play or download these beta versions from APK Mirror. While iPhone users can receive and be added to a group call, the ability to add another person is unavailable on this platform. Well, that's what we found in our testing. Though a report last month mentioned that this feature will be enabled via a server-side update. So that was our first look at the group voice and video calling on WhatsApp for Android beta. What do you think about the feature? Are you waiting for it? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.